the young hustler who has been getting loans and getting to the next level. But for me, one of the concerns I have is that we're actually reinventing a wheel that was already working. Because yes, there's a hustler fund, but we also had the Youth Empowerment Development Fund that was working quite perfectly. And that young people didn't need to go to the bank, because why should I get the hustler fund and then the next level I still have to go to the bank? The reason why the Youth Development Fund was created is so that these young people don't have to go that direction, that they can actually get these funds, pay back, and continue in their growth path. And my challenge to PS and his and the space she is in is that they need to go back and have a look at that, because it works very well. Why should the people who were already at a level of getting up to 2 million be told to start afresh, to start getting 500 shillings? It doesn't make any sense. It means you're retrogressing backwards. Yeah, we are in a space in this country where being young has become expensive. Yeah, and as I just conclude, and we need to be the voice of these young people. When we are told that now you cannot get an ID with 200 shillings, that you have to cough 1,000 shilling, the young people back in Nyamira cannot afford the 1,000 shilling. And it's up to myself, Mukunji, and the other young leaders to raise these issues continuously, to be the voice of the young people in this country, and to continue engaging and telling the government when it's wrong, and also to tell the government when it's doing things in the right way, okay, so that we can continuously grow the spaces of young people. And as I conclude, because I'm seeing so many young people in this space as well, challenge us and challenge yourselves. If you want to get into that political space, hold the hand of someone who is there, and we'll hold your hands as well, so that we continuously work together. And also, finally, do not be afraid, because you're the voice of the people, and do not allow anyone to tell you that you're the leaders of tomorrow, because we start now. Even Akina Baba, Akina His Excellency